Hey BROCHIKAS, welcome back to another video, and for today's video we're doing a hair dye video. It's been a little while since I dyed my hair. The last time I dyed it was when I made it brown. I had to bleach it, and I used hair dye from Sally's. Well, I don't think Sally's is open right now. I know you can probably buy online, but I didn't feel like it, so I went ahead and I got a box dye. And I'm not changing the color of my hair because I actually do love having brown hair. It's probably one of my best decisions that I've made is going more natural. This is very close to my natural, except for the fact that because I had to bleach it a few times and I had previous old red hair dye in my hair history, it started to get really brassy after washing it and washing it. I do have a color safe shampoo, but I'm telling you, it's been months. So I can just see the orange brassiness coming through. It looks very similar to the color that I ended up with when I bleached it before I put brown on top. And I just feel like the color is just not rich, if that makes any sense. So really, I just wanted to kind of richen, is that a word? The color. So I'm gonna try to show you in the sunlight here what we're working with. But do you see how this got super, and by the way, my hair is so dirty right now, so please don't judge me. And I might have a couple of dry flakes because I do suffer from a little bit of a dry scalp. So again, please don't judge me. But it's gotten very brassy here. I don't know if you guys are really gonna be able to grasp it, but that undertone is it's just not working for me. But I do love brown hair. Wasn't sure if I wanted to go more for a cool undertone or a more reddish warm undertone, but definitely not. This is more brassy orangey copper undertone, which I'm not feeling it. And I couldn't decide either way, and I asked you guys, but then I didn't even wait for responses because I went grocery shopping yesterday, so I bought this while I was at the store. But I decided to go with something neutral. So this is called Deep Medium Natural Brown. So it's on the neutral side. It's not cool, it's not warm. So I'm hoping that it will kind of take the brassiness down a little level without making it all the way cool tone. So this is called Glazed Walnut. It's the Garnier Nutrice Ultra Coverage Nourishing Color Cream. And I didn't realize that they had some of the Garnier Nutrice that were for 100% coverage for ultra resistant grays. And if y'all watch my vlogs, you know that I found a gray hair the other day, which is I'm all for showing my true colors. I'm not embarrassed by the gray hair, but I'm not ready for that. I'm 30, so we're gonna cover her up. We're gonna cover her up, and I wanted to make sure I chose something that was gonna work. So hopefully you guys are grasping this. Do you see how orangey this looks and how toned down the box looks? You can really see the difference. So again, I'm not trying to change the color of my hair. I'm just trying to freshen it up, make it a little bit more rich in color, and tone down this weird copperness. You can really see it now. Do you see that copperness? I mean, that's not cute in my opinion. I don't like that. So that is what we are trying to tone down. I am just gonna go ahead and apply this, and then I'll show you guys the results. All right, y'all, the hair dye is in. I know it looks dark. But it's not black, don't worry. It's brown, and I just feel like hair dye always looks hella dark when you first put it in. I actually probably could have used 1.5 bottles, even though my hair's not even long, but I just have a lot of hair. I've always had hairstylists tell me that it doesn't look like it, but I have a lot of hair once you get inside there. So honestly, I could have used another bottle just to completely saturate it. But I think I mostly got everything, and luckily I'm not changing my color. It's just a brown. So gonna let this be for like 20-30 minutes and then wash it out, and whenever it's blow dried and styled, I will show you guys the results. Just zipping through this hair dye review video, whatever, because you know, really people just come here to see the before and the after. All right, BROCHIKAS, so here are the results of the hair. And I was really nervous at first because when my hair was wet, my roots looked like they lightened, and I was like, oh gosh, no. Please don't tell me that I got hot roots. But, you know, my hair was splotchy before I dyed my hair right now. Like, my hair was splotchy. You could tell, right? If you couldn't tell, I mean, thank you, but girl, if you couldn't tell, when I dyed my hair brown, it was splotchy. It wasn't perfect. Also, my roots were darker than the rest of my hair. I did that intentionally just so that when my natural hair grew through, it wouldn't show too much. So, you know, it's not a perfect, even color. I don't think anybody would really notice unless they were like a hairstylist, a hair colorist. So I think it looks great. Honestly, it looks so fresh. It just looks so much more refreshed. You can see that that bronze, coppery, ugly orange tone is way better. Like, it's toned down. I'm not gonna say that's completely gone, but I think it's definitely toned down. I have way more of a neutral brown now. And I think it just looks so much better, you guys. It just looks so much better. It looks more like rich in color and more fresh, I guess. And that's really all I wanted, was just like a refresh. I still want brown hair, but I just wanted like a refreshed brown. So, you know, it's not all the way cool tone. You can see a little bit of red tones, like a tiny bit. You know, a trained eye might not be able to notice it, but I mean, a non-trained eye would not see that this is not like perfect, but I think it looks really good. It's just a regular brown hair color now, like a regular medium to medium dark brown hair color, and I like it. I like it a lot. I think it complements me a lot better. I'm excited to do my makeup. I think it looks really good. I think I would buy it again, and I would, you know, if I need to freshen up, which I don't need to dye my hair every 6 weeks anymore. I really don't. Maybe like every 3 months, just like a little refresh. But also I saw that Garnier came out with like a color like freshener, like a shampoo or a mask or something like that. Maybe I can try that for a video if you guys want to hear about it. It looks brand new. I've never seen it before, and I just saw it in the store, but I really like the results. I feel so much better now. I was kind of getting embarrassed about how brassy it was, and now I just feel like really good. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this helped somebody out there. I know brown hair doesn't seem very interesting to a lot of people. I'm sure people prefer like when I dye my hair red or burgundy or whatever, but I'm going for that au naturel kind of look, and I think that brown hair with a tan looks so cute, and I'm obsessed with brown hair right now. So I hope this helps somebody who just needed to freshen up their medium brown hair, and give it a thumbs up if it helped you or if you enjoyed it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I have a playlist with hair dye videos, have tons of hair dye videos, different colors if you want to look them up. I will put a playlist little card at the end for you. And thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.